Good day, viewers. You are welcome to my home. You are welcome to the land where nothing is impossible before God Almighty. What I want to discuss with you today, this period we are inside is a period of rainfall. Is a period that rain fall. Please use this period greatly. If you have not achieved anything great, please, I want you to locate any man of God, any woman of God that you know, sow a seed into her life, sow a seed into his life. That seed you are sowing to his life, collect rain, rainfall, collect rainfall like this, directly from the rain, directly, not the one that passes through. Collect rain direct, not the one that passes through zinc or pass through any other source. Get a clean container and collect rain, and that seed you want to sow into the life of that man or woman of God for you to harvest. Please put this water, this heavenly water, on top of the money or anything that you want to give. Keep it on it like this, then pray. Say, God, this is your water and this is my seed. I'm going to sow into the life of any minister of God. Father, bless me. Open my door that I will be a source of blessing to many that will come my way. As I'm going to give this seed, harvesting time will not cease from my life. You pray like this. Make sure the money is under it. If your faith is too little, please pray over it for 24 hours. But if you know that you believe God will answer you, just pray over it like this, then drink this water. Drink the water, all.